Finally, we have a fragrance-free line. Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have something I am so excited about. We have a full one brand wash day with the entire brand new Shine line from CurlSmith. To be fair, I really kind of like the fragrances that CurlSmith uses in their products, but as a woman who is currently very pregnant, I have noticed that I have become more sensitive to fragrances, and I have become very aware that the options for fragrance-free, curly hair friendly hair care products are very limited. Up until this point, I have only known of one brand that has carried an entire wash day lineup that is fragrance-free. But the cool thing about CurlSmith's Shine collection is that you'll be able to walk in to your local Ulta and pick it up. I love this. Anyway, I'm gonna quit rambling. Let's run into my bathroom and I will show you exactly how I washed and styled my hair with these products. Hey there guys, welcome to my shower. So these products are supposed to help your hair get real glossy. They're meant to make your hair feel soft, smooth, and visibly shinier. They're dermatology tested and are suitable for most sensitive skin types. They're also universal. They're meant to work well for the finest wavy hair to coarser, more curly hair. And I gotta say, of all the products that I have tried on my channel, I can absolutely see these products working for a wide range of hair types. So now that my hair is soaking wet, we're going in with the CurlSmith Shine Shampoo. The texture of this really reminds me of the Vivid Tones shampoo from CurlSmith. I will say though that this shampoo is almost hydrating. It's one of those that when I wash my hair with it, my hair does not feel squeaky, but this product does lather and it does cleanse absolutely beautifully. It is very gentle and it does get rid of buildup. The key ingredients of this entire line are hops, jasmine, and lemon peel to boost shine. Each of these products does contain some level of those three ingredients. You can see that I am using standard shampooing practices here. I'm really scrubbing with the pads of my fingers and almost the palms of my hands, and only focusing on cleansing my roots. To cleanse the links of my hair, I do just push the lather through the links of my hair. I find that this is plenty of cleansing for the links of my hair. I used to feel weird about doing that for cleansing the links of my hair, thinking that there was no way it was going to get my hair clean enough, but I've been doing it for the past 4 years now, and it works so well. Now that I've got my hair thoroughly rinsed, I just keep pulling the water through the links of my hair until I feel like all the suds are gone. I'm gonna grab the CurlSmith Shine Conditioner. This product has some shea butter in it, which really helps give ultimate moisture. It's also got murumuru butter. Oh my goodness, I don't think I said that right, but I tried. It's got babassu oil, and again, the blend of hops, jasmine, and lemon peel. As you can see, it's kind of like this thicker texture when you pump it out into your hands, but as soon as you start moving your hands together, it melts into my hands beautifully. It's not as thick as you would think it is. So I'm going to really be focusing this product on the mid-lengths to ends of my hair. Very careful with where I apply this because this is an incredibly nourishing conditioner that also has crazy slip. I am amazed every time I use this product with how my tangles just completely fall right out of my hair. Now, when I was reading those key ingredients and you were hearing shea butter and oils and all the things, you thought, oh, no way, this product's going to be way too heavy for my hair. I would say reserve your judgment because this product is so well formulated with beautiful emulsifiers that it is not too heavy, even for my fine, wavy, low porosity hair that usually hates shea butter. My hair actually really likes this product. I think far too often in the wavy curly hair community, we write off a product for one ingredient and don't give it a chance. We don't even try it because we're scared of the one ingredient. All right, enough of that. You saw exactly what I did there. I finger detangled my hair and then I finished distributing the conditioner with my Perfect Hair Care brush. Now it's time for a good old squish to condish. I added just a little bit more water to the top of my head, and now I am gently squishing and pulsing this conditioner through my hair. I'm not really trying to squeeze all the conditioner and water out of my hair. I'm just kind of trying to swoosh it around in my hair. Think swooshing mouthwash around in your mouth. You're not going to swoosh it so hard that you spit out the mouthwash. That's my favorite analogy ever. Now that I've taken some good amount of time doing a squish to condish, I'm going to rinse the conditioner out of my hair. And I like to scrub my scalp while I rinse out my conditioner just to ensure a really good rinse. Now I am grabbing the Shine Cream. This is a weightless leave-in conditioner. And while it contains the hops, jasmine, and lemon peel to boost shine, it also contains jojoba and castor oil to seal in moisture, and babassu oil, which really, I'm finding it makes my hair so shiny without making it feel heavy. This product does not weigh down my hair, and it is very concentrated. A little bit does go a long way. You saw I grabbed just a tiny little bit, and the more I rubbed my hands together, it's like the more the product kept giving. I'm always amazed when products do that. Also, amazed again at how much slip this product has. If your hair is prone to tangles, you might really find that this product helps with your tangles. Now that I've got that distributed through my hair with my fingers and I am doubly sure there are no tangles, I will finish distributing the product with my Perfect Hair Care brush. I don't use a brush to detangle, I use the brush to distribute product. You can also see that I'm kind of taking the brush all the way up to my roots. I'm letting whatever leftover leave-in conditioner is on the brush hit my roots so that all of my hair is getting some sort of leave-in conditioning protection. Now I'm going to be organizing my curl clumps with this wide tooth comb. Now that I am upright styling, because I am very pregnant and can't flip my head upside down like I normally do, I have really been enjoying taking this wide tooth comb and gently lifting everything off of my scalp to keep things from being stuck to my head. When the curl clumps are really, really, really stuck to my head, I find I don't get a great wash day. I do keep pushing everything back and away from my face. This is oddly a trick for volume for me when I'm upright styling. Now that I've kind of got the curl clumps organized the way I want, I'm going in with the Shine Jelly. This is a flexible hold of 6, and I love the consistency of this product. It's very, very runny. It's almost serum-y, but just slightly thicker than a serum. So I'm smoothing it out in my hands, and I did smell it, and yeah, it does smell a little bit chemically. That is a new word to describe a scent. So most of the time, companies will use fragrance to help deodorize the scent of the raw ingredients. These products have no fragrances, so it's going to smell a little bit strong, but I will say that that scent immediately vanished as soon as I started putting the product into my hair. You only smell it when you squeeze it out of the bottle. As soon as you start applying it, it is gone. This product really helped my curl clumps start coming together, and I loved the feeling of putting it in my hair. My hair just completely soaks this up, and I use this as a curl enhancer. You could 100% use this on its own. It will give you defined waves and curls with lots of volume. It's very weightless, but I enjoy using it as a curl enhancer underneath the next product that I'm about to show you. So now we're going in with the Shine Gel. This is a hold level 9. It is the big guns. And I'm about to show you what the texture looks like. You can see that the texture is completely different than the jelly. This stuff is thick. It is not moving. It is not going anywhere. There you go. Oh my goodness. You can see that I grabbed a relatively small amount, and yes, it also has kind of that strong chemical scent, but I only smelled it as I took it out of the tube. As soon as I started rubbing my hands together, the scent was completely gone. I'm using the same application technique for this product that I used for the jelly. I am gently glazing this product over the top and underneath layers of my hair. And then in order to get it into each of the curl clumps, I will do a squish and pulse kind of technique. I don't like brushing my gels through my hair. I find that really breaks up my curl clumps and makes things not cute. It makes things stringy. So I'm just going to finish up scrunching this product into my hair. I really like how this product feels while I'm applying it. And this is what the curls are looking like when they're wet. All right, here we are. I did plop and diffuse my hair to 90% dry. And then I let it finish air drying in the cast. These videos are almost scripted at this point. Like, I kind of do the same thing every time, but I do want to make sure and cover what I did so that in case this is the very first video that you have ever seen of mine, you will know what I did. Can I talk with my hands anymore? Anyway, this is what my hair is looking like in the cast. There you go. You can see, I'm not sure you can really see, but I can definitely feel, yeah, there you go. These products gave me a very, very soft, light cast in my hair. The cast is that crunchy shell that your gel forms on your hair as it dries. And it's actually a very good thing because it helps your waves and curls maintain their shape while they're drying. But it is definitely not the cutest look out there in the world. It's not the worst, but I mean, there are cuter things than crunchy curls. So what I do is I wait till my hair is 100% dry and then I give it one more good scrunch. Sometimes you can smooth it out with your hands, kind of do a prayer hands situation. And then I like to do a really good root fluff. And what that does is it kind of loosens everything that was stuck to my scalp. All right, let's see if I can find my part. Kind of shake, fluff, scrunch everything into place. Alrighty, and there we go. Here are my results once I have scrunched and fluffed. Let me turn around and show you the back. I gotta say, I really like how my hair feels. It feels very lightweight. These products are so rich, but my hair feels lightweight. I mean, here, I'll even turn off the ring light. There you go. This is no ring light. This is just my window light in my room, in my bedroom. My hair really is quite shiny today. And here's what happens when you crank the ring light. You can really see the shine. I am actually pretty impressed with how shiny these products make my hair. My hair tends to be on the shinier side of things, but I feel like the shine is actually turned up quite a bit in my hair right now. Comment down below, what do y'all think? All right, I will be back to show you the day 2 results, how it's holding up in just a sec. All right, here we are for day 2. I just slept with my hair in a silk scrunchie. Oh my goodness, my hair always looks some sort of extra special kind of way right when I take it down out of the overnight pineapple. Let me turn around and show you the back. Now, as you can see, I've already gotten ready for the day, and we're kind of needing to hurry this along. I don't necessarily have just a whole lot of time to wait and let my hair settle, so I will be doing a steam refresh. I have been loving this method of refreshing my hair. You can see, here, I'll move it up. Can you see it? There we go. This method of refreshing my hair really does help. It really does work. I'm gently kind of allowing the steam into my hairs. I love steam refreshing. I feel like you just watch your hair transform before your very eyes. Like this section was completely stretched out and it's come back to life. I feel like maybe the roots are a bit frizzy, but overall, I am so thrilled with how this day 2 hair has turned out. Let me turn around. And total, this has taken me 5 minutes. I'm a happy camper. All right, guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to check out all the links in the description down below if you want to take a look at these products for yourself. And yeah, you won't be sorry. As always, I hope you guys are having an absolutely fantastic day, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.